So this is how you can fix Discord having that gray screen when you first open it. This can work for PC or mobile, so the method goes both ways. Now as you can see, when I open Discord, I don't get the gray screen because I already fixed it. Now I'm going to teach you how to do that as well. So, what I did is, actually, the first thing that you can do, or the first thing that most people do, is delete the app. And sometimes that actually works. So, you can try that if you want to right now. But what I did is something far more special, and it actually refreshes the app. So, you're gonna want to tap on the, settings for your phone, scroll down, tap on general, and then look for iPhone storage, which is right there. Now, what we're gonna want to do is tap on this size thing right here, this size text, and tap on name to sort it by name. Now we have to scroll down until we find Discord. So just go to the D section right here. We actually went past it. There we go, Discord. What we're gonna want to do is, as you can see, there is an offload app button. You're gonna want to tap on that, and it says offloading Discord will delete the app but keep its documents and data. What this means is it's going to partially delete Discord. So you won't lose your documents, but it's going to delete it to the point where you can refresh it by re-downloading it. So, is that safe? Totally. They wouldn't have this option if it wasn't safe. But yeah, once you tap on offload, it's going to delete the app partially. It's still going to be in your home screen, but you will have to download it back. And I'm sure that won't take like forever. It probably will take like 2 minutes. So tap on offload. It's going to delete all the data that's causing this problem, all the bad data, by the way, like the bugs, and you will now be able to open your Discord without a gray screen. Now, if you're on PC and you're facing this problem as well, just delete the app and then, re-download it and come back. I'm sure it's going to fix itself. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.